In today's video, I'll teach you how to apply for Westpac credit card. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in westpac.com.au, press enter. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the official website of Westpac. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here, you can see various options like home, personal, business, corporate, etc. Click on this option, personal. Now over here, you'll be able to find various options. At third, you can see this option for credit cards. Click on it. After you do that, you'll be led to the credit cards interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. What you have to do is simply click on this option, apply now, that you can see on the screen. Now you can see two options, already with us, not yet with us. So if you already have created the account for Westpac, you can click on this option, already with us. Otherwise, click on this option, not yet with us. Now you can see over here, you have to choose the type of credit card that you would like to apply for. You can see the rewards credit cards over here. Also, you'll be able to see the low rate or low fee credit cards. Simply find the credit card that you would like to apply for and click on the apply option that you'll be able to see in that particular credit card. Now you can recap on your choice of credit card. You'll be able to find the information regarding the credit card over here. You can also find the eligibility. You must be aged 18 or over. You must live at a fixed Australian address and must receive a regular and verifiable Australian taxable income. Also, you must meet one of the following requirements. Simply read these requirements very carefully. While you apply for the credit card, you'll need to provide proof of income, current debts and expenses. You must also provide any two of the ID documents among passport, Australian driver's license, Medicare card, Australian birth certificate. So what you have to do is simply scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see over here, you can confirm to start your application. Check on this box, yes, I am ready to apply. Now what you have to do is click on this option, apply now, that you can see on the screen. Now you can read the privacy statement and consent request over here. Simply read these informations very carefully and scroll down. Now click on this option, apply now, that you can see on the screen. Now you can start your application. You need to provide a few details over here. First of all, select your title. Simply click on the field of title and select your title over here. Now scroll down. Now enter the first name. Now if you have any middle name or initial, you can enter it over here. Now enter the last name. Now you'll be able to see the question over here, is this the only name you've ever been known by legally? Click on the option of your choice. Now after you fill in all the details, what you have to do is enter your email address. Click on the field of email address and provide the email address over here. Now also enter the mobile number. Make sure to enter the correct mobile number. Now scroll down. Now what you have to do is simply click on this option, send SMS code, that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, an OTP will be sent to your phone number. What you have to do is simply enter the OTP in another interface. After that, they'll ask for other details as well. Simply provide your information. You'll also have to provide the information regarding your income, debts, etc. Also, they'll ask you to submit any of the ID documents. Simply provide your Australian ID documents. After you do that, you'll be able to submit your application. Simply follow all the instructions, provide all the details and click on the submit option. After you do that, your application will be submitted. Now Westpac will look into your application. If you meet the requirement for the credit card, your application will be accepted and you'll receive the credit card. So that is how you apply for Westpac credit card. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.